first. This would be the opposite of 18 White Ninja. This would be the opposite of 18W. I'm pretty sure. Well, that was pretty cool getting to see a White Ninja. I mean, the engines were just normal Norfolk Southern engines, no like heritage units, which kind of sucks, but you can't expect everything. But it was still pretty cool finally getting to see a train today on a wet Sunday afternoon. But yeah, they were just normal black Norfolk Southern engines, like normal AC44 C6Ms, that type of thing. But yeah, there was nothing special about them. But yeah, normally I'd be down at the, like right at the railroad tracks, but I didn't have enough time to even go down there. Because I didn't even hear it till like right as it was here. So I had to run out the door. And this was the closest place I could get to. Where's the bridge? So this is definitely a unique shot, I must say. Mickey Mouse. I have no clue when the damn thing is going to end. We might, I'm pretty sure it's going to end soon, I can't really tell. All I hear is the screeching of the wheels. It is picking up some speed now. Yeah, this is probably near the end of it, I would say. Because it's been going on for quite a while, actually. CP. CSX. Norfolk Southern again. I haven't seen any CPKC hoppers in a while. Old Sioux Line Auto, right? CP. Because the last time I seen a CPKC auto rack was when the Martinsville race was here this fall. That's the last time I seen a White Ninja till now. And well, that's the end of it. Well, that was a unique little video. I hope y'all enjoyed that, and I guess I'll see y'all later. Peace.